versatile floor plan provides multiple living areas, 4 bedrooms, office, 3.5 baths, screened-in porch plus deck for enjoying the great Williamsburg outdoors. This home has a wealth of natural light with plantation shutters throughout the home. Beautiful wood floors greet you, wide entry, French doors, vaulted ceilings, granite, quartz, ceramic tile, his enter closets in the master plus much more. This lovely home has been meticulously maintained and is in a maintenance-free section of Ford's Colony.